Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, we will analyze the direction of the past month, right? So let's get started with the monthly direction. If you use the classic storyline, you can see that there is no fresh level that this candle on the monthly time frame rejected from for the bearish monthly storyline. Right? In this case, you need to use the tricks from the advanced storyline that I teach you. Alright? For example, we had this bearish reversal trend line, right? On the monthly time frame, we had this bearish reversal trend line. Now, let's check the daily time frame for the bearish breakout. On the daily time frame, you can see that we had our bearish daily breakout for a bearish monthly advanced storyline, right? So by this bearish daily breakout, we can say that the monthly is in a bearish storyline, right? Already all my students know about this, right? So if you don't have any fresh level left or right here, just use the trend lines for the advanced storyline, right? And if you had your daily breakout, just check if there is any trend line aligned with the market with the current market price for a bearish monthly storyline, right? In this case, we had our bearish reversal trend line and we had our bearish daily breakout. Now the monthly is in a bearish storyline, right? By this daily bearish breakout. Now let's check the weekly storyline. In the weekly storyline, as you can see also, there is no fresh level right here that these candles rejected from. So in this case, also you need to use the tricks from the advanced storyline, right? What do you have here? You have you have this bearish reversal trend line. Alright, this bearish reversal trend line. Now let's check the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, you had your bearish 4-hour breakout, right? By this bearish 4-hour breakout, we can say that we have a bearish weekly advanced storyline. And this bearish weekly advanced storyline happen before the bearish daily breakout. So you will be able to catch the move from here, right? Until the price breaks, gives you the bearish breakout in the daily time frame for what? For the bearish monthly advanced storyline. Now the monthly and the weekly is in a bearish storyline, right? Now, in the same time, what do you have here? You have this weekly, reject weekly, right? The classic storyline, weekly, reject weekly. Now, put your vertical line on the weekly touch and switch to the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, our price touches our fresh weekly level right here, all right? So, this is our bearish breakout for the bearish weekly storyline, right? But as you can see, our apex from the key that started the bearish weekly storyline breaks again, right? So it gives you this apex gives you the breakout and then breaks again. In this case, you need to wait for another bearish 4-hour breakout for confirming the bearish weekly classic storyline. Alright, so by this bearish classic weekly storyline, it will end where we said the classic storyline travels between our fresh levels on the weekly time frame. Alright, so this bearish weekly storyline started right here, so it will end on another fresh weekly by another 4-hour bullish breakout. In this case, you had this what? You had this weekly reject weekly right here. Alright, now let's put our vertical line on the weekly touch and then switch to the 4-hour time frame. In the 4-hour time frame, our weekly touches our fresh level right here. So where is the last A shape that created before the touch? This is the last A shape that created before the touch. So no bullish breakout in the 4-hour time frame, so no bullish weekly storyline. You need to wait until what? Until the price reaches another fresh weekly level, right? For example, this weekly fresh level, right? So if the price gives you a 4-hour breakout on this fresh weekly level, right? A bullish 4-hour breakout or a bullish daily breakout, you can say that this bearish weekly storyline ends and the bullish weekly storyline started. Right? So if the price didn't gives you your 4-hour bullish breakout right here, right? 4-hour bullish breakout right here. So just you need to wait until the price reaches another fresh weekly level right here and gives you a bullish 4-hour breakout for the ending of this bearish weekly storyline and starting of a new bullish weekly story. Right? So this was for the weekly storyline. What about the daily storylines that inside the weekly storyline? Let's remove this and keep just this fresh level on the weekly time frame. So after this bearish weekly storyline that started right here, right? The price gives you what? On the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, the price gives you daily reject daily, right? Gives you a daily reject daily right here. Right. Now let's put your vertical line on the daily touch and switch to the 1-hour time frame for the bullish breakout. The daily touches our fresh daily level right here. What is the last A shape that created before the touch? This is the last A shape that created before the touch, right? So after this 1-hour bullish breakout, we have a bullish daily storyline, right? We have a bullish daily storyline. And as we said, the classic storyline on the daily time frame travels between our fresh daily levels, all right? As you can see. So, if the bullish daily classic storyline started right here, it will end where? At least it will end on this fresh daily level, right? But as you can see, the price didn't reach this fresh daily level, and it's already gives you the 1-hour bearish breakout right here, right? So if the price didn't reach your daily fresh level for a new bearish daily storyline and for the ending of this bullish daily storyline, where this bearish breakout comes from, right? In this case also, you need to use the tricks from the advanced storyline. For example, you had this bearish outside trend line, right? The first touch, the second touch, the first touch, the second touch, and the third touch, it's right here. All right, this is the third touch. Now let's check the 1-hour time frame, and you will see that you had your bearish 1-hour breakout for a bearish daily advanced storyline, right? So if you will wait, if you wait for this until the price reaches this fresh daily level, it will never reaches and you will miss this bearish move. All right, and of the results and the results of the elections, it gives us an information that the price is in a bearish move, right? It's a negative for the gold. So just you need to follow the bearish direction. Why? Because the direction on the monthly and on the weekly is bearish, right? So you need to trade in the direction of the higher time frames, all right? And the key here is to be flexible, all right? If you be flexible, it's the key for catching the moves right. All right. Now if this daily bearish advanced storyline started right here, it will end where? It will end also on another fresh daily level right here, right? Another fresh daily level right here. If the price gives you a 1 hour breakout, right, 1 hour breakout, you can say that we had a new bullish daily storyline. And if the price didn't gives you the 1 hour bullish breakout, so just you need to wait for another daily fresh level for the bullish daily storyline. All right, for the bullish daily storyline. So the main direction right now in the current market price, it's bearish. So you need to focus on the bearish direction. So you need to focus on the sell trades, all right, until the price gives you a new bullish weekly storyline or a new bearish weekly storyline, all right. And for the monthly bearish advanced storyline, it will end where? It will end on this fresh monthly level, right? If the price gives you 1 hour daily bullish breakout, you can say that the price changed from a bearish weekly storyline to a bullish weekly storyline. If not, you need to wait until this. If not, you will to wait until this fresh monthly level, right? This is for the classic storyline. If you use the tricks from the advanced storyline, you need to wait until where? Until the price reaches this monthly bullish upward trend line. All right, this bullish upward trend line. So if you see a bullish daily breakout, all right, if you see a bullish daily breakout that didn't come from any fresh level, all right. So for example, this is the monthly fresh level, all right. So if the price didn't gives you a bullish breakout right here on this fresh monthly level, all right, and you had your bullish breakout right here. Now that it's come from a bullish outer monthly trend line. If you didn't have any bullish daily breakout on this monthly trend line or these fresh monthly levels, simply you need to wait until another fresh monthly levels right here down, right here, or for another for another we or for another monthly trend line, all right, or for another monthly trend line. The breakout, it's the thing that will tells you if the storyline is changed to a bullish or still in a bearish mode, all right. So this was my view on the current market price, right, for the gold. I hope you understand this video. I will post another videos in the next days. So take care, guys, and see you in the next video.